Welcome to Karachi, Pakistan's bustling metropolis. Known as the City of Lights, Karachi pulsates with an energy that is both captivating and chaotic. This vibrant city is a melting pot of cultures, a testament to Pakistan's rich history and diverse heritage. Prepare to be mesmerized by the city's infectious energy, warm hospitality, and a sensory overload that will leave you wanting more. Karachi is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations. The aroma of spices wafts through the air, mingling with the salty tang of the Arabian Sea. From the bustling bazaars to the serene beaches, Karachi offers a tapestry of experiences for every traveler. Whether you seek adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a taste of authentic Pakistani life, Karachi promises an unforgettable journey. Come, lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the old city, where time seems to stand still. Explore the grandeur of colonial architecture, a reminder of a bygone era. Indulge in the tantalizing flavors of Karachi's street food, a culinary adventure in itself. With open arms and warm smiles, Karachi welcomes you to experience its unique charm. Karachi is a treasure trove of historical landmarks, architectural marvels, and natural wonders. Your journey through this captivating city must include a visit to the iconic Quaid's Mausoleum, a testament to Pakistan's founder, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This architectural masterpiece, with its gleaming white marble and graceful arches, is a symbol of Pakistan's independence and a place of national pride. No trip to Karachi is complete without a visit to Clifton Beach, a bustling hub of activity and a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. Take a stroll along the sandy shores, feel the cool breeze on your face, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere as families enjoy picnics and vendors offer tantalizing treats. For a glimpse into Pakistan's diverse wildlife, head to the Karachi Safari Park, home to a wide array of animals, including lions, tigers, and elephants. Delve deeper into the city's history at the Mohata Palace, a stunning example of Anglo-Mughal architecture. Now a museum, the palace offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of a bygone era. For a spiritual experience, visit the impressive Abdullah Shah Ghazi Mausoleum, a place of pilgrimage and a testament to Karachi's rich Sufi heritage. As you explore these attractions, you'll discover the layers of history and culture that have shaped this fascinating city. Karachi's cultural tapestry is as rich and diverse as its history. This is a city where ancient traditions coexist with modern influences, creating a vibrant blend that is uniquely Karachi. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the people, known for their friendly nature and welcoming smiles. Engage in conversations with locals and you'll quickly discover their love for their city and their eagerness to share its stories. Immerse yourself in the city's vibrant arts and crafts scene. Visit the bustling markets, where you can find everything from traditional handicrafts to modern fashion. Explore the art galleries showcasing the works of talented local artists. Experience the thrill of a live performance, whether it's a traditional Qawwali music session or a contemporary theater production. Witness the city come alive during its many festivals, a kaleidoscope of colors, music, and dance. Experience the joy of Eid celebrations, the spiritual devotion of Muharram, and the vibrant colors of Holi. As you delve deeper into the cultural heart of Karachi, you'll be captivated by its warmth, its energy, and its ability to embrace diversity. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors. Karachi is a food lover's paradise, offering a tantalizing array of culinary delights that will leave you craving for more. From the spicy aromas of biryani to the sweet indulgence of faluda, Karachi's street food scene is a testament to the city's love affair with food. Embark on a culinary adventure through the bustling food streets where vendors whip up a storm of flavors. Indulge in the iconic nihari, a rich and flavorful stew, or savor the melt-in-your-mouth kebabs, grilled to perfection. For a taste of the sea, sample the fresh seafood, seasoned with aromatic spices and grilled to perfection. No culinary journey through Karachi is complete without experiencing the city's legendary chai. Sip on a cup of steaming hot milky tea, infused with aromatic spices, and let the flavors transport you to a world of pure indulgence. From street food stalls to fine dining restaurants, Karachi offers a culinary landscape as diverse as its culture.